Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. For the first one, we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second one. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you got like this. Now we can apply this one, go in here. So that should be like this. So this one, that is from this one. First derivative of 2x, this one we have number 1, so you got number 2. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we divide by number 2, so we have like this. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. For this one, I need to do about common denominator. So we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. So 8, that is about this one. B, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have the second formula in here. So this one, that is about 8. This one, that is about B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we can apply the same formula in here. So we got the final answer. So this one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.